Hello! Yan, ganda ng Dargins.
Ito ang magandang mag-selfie.
Dito daw. Magandang mag-selfie. 1, 2, smile. Oh, we are going to enter the Dargins garden. Oh. Ang entrance fee dito sa Dargins garden ay 80 pesos para sa senior PWD, 100 sa mga regular adults, and then 5 to 10 years old, 50 pesos. And then open sila 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Monday to Friday, and 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. This is a sunflower. So, pinapalaki pa sila. Money tree. Ito, noong unang panahon pa yan.
1, 2.
Alright.
Ando?
So, ganda.
Andres?
Diba? Oh.
Andres, anong gawa?
1, 2, 3. Smile.
What I'm telling Lindsay is not to put her hands together.
Ganda. Ganda ng
things.
view.
Hello, I'm down here.
Yeah, Andre is down there.
Go there.
Condacious. Yeah.
Hi guys, oh, let's go there.
Yan. So, maliban sa view na maganda.
Flowers.
And flowers. Siyempre, ang flowers. So, tuloy natin ang ating paglalakbay. Yan, kaganda ng mga bulaklak.
Let's go.
So, yan.
Bye guys.
Hey, looks like
Ayan.
it's the flowers.
Ang dami nilang, ito, seedlings pa ang mga to. Seedlings ng ponchichas. Ponchichas.
Hey guys,
What will you get
my
there?
mom is here.
Don't leave, Lency. Oh, So, ito na naman yung sunflowers. So, this is the Habit House. And that's the view. So, yan. So, yan. This is the first floor. So, let's go.
Please,
You.
sit down.
Thank you for inviting me. But you are pushing my hand. Oh, it's nice. Thank you.
Sit down and play with this.
Okay, thank you, thank you. It's very
And you're
nice.
going somewhere.
That is the Habit House. This is the Habit House. Kami lang tingnan yan. Oh, may fireplace sila. Oh, hindi sila giginawin. Ito naman ang souvenir. Souvenirs.
Is na ako ma? Ay, nanay na sila. Hindi ka may panahatan. Panahatan. Kaya ganun.
Their dad favorite place that.
Hi po.
Ay, ganda ng ano yan, chandelier nila. Chandelier.
Sinilay.
Oh, yun ang gusto ni Buntis. Relaxing. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, they are looking for Anding. Welcome to Dargins. Yan, so regular, 100. Senior and PWD, 80 pesos. And kids, 5 to 10, 50 pesos.
Get me.